Hello, it is Wednesday, the 6th day of February 2013. Welcome. My name's Derek, and we'll take a look at three different time frames within silver: the daily, the 7-hour, and the 3-hour chart. But before we do, platinum is at 1738, up a little over 1.5% for the day, 3.5% for the week and month, and over 12% for the year. It has also now managed to make highs not seen since September of 2011. So very much interesting to say the least. I covered platinum yesterday. I'll go over it again on the weekend, most likely, and maybe even tomorrow. I'm not too sure. So let's get this thing started. We'll start off within the daily time frame, within this high and this low. And it's gotten out of the bearishness for the most part, going into this neutral base, and I'm trying to figure out what's that failed breakout or breakdown going to be, because there has been so many different possibilities for that to be the case, but it's obviously in a lot of indecision right now. I can draw all these uptrends and downtrend lines as much as I wish, because that's what indecision looks at. So we're going to shorten this out. Move it to the 7-hour chart, which will adjust the Fibonacci retracement for this low and this high. So let's do that right now. And there we have it. So within the move, it's stayed above the first Fibonacci level, keeping it bullish in a sideways consolidation mode since, well, really in this whole point here. Again, we can look at this as that possible failed breakdown, as it did break out fast and then find the support in here. But if we draw the lines in again for a symmetrical triangle, we can simply put the lows together, put the highs, there's your triangle. It's got to break to one side or the other, and yeah, you can look at a possibility for a failure beforehand, meaning if it's going to be going higher, there's maybe a decent chance at best that it's going to maybe pierce below, recapture it, and then go higher. And the same is true for going down, where it could have that pierce above and then boom, something in that nature there. I don't know how often that's the case, but it's just something to keep your eye on as well. Let's adjust Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low now, which will be on the 3-hour time frame. And there we have it there. So a lot of volatile, choppy action. After this downtrend, it had a quick capturing of this move where it got above here, showing quickly that it looked like the selling was a failed move. It has not been able to hold, break above here, or B, really even go down below here, meaning a lot of sideways, a choppy action. Again, we'll draw in one of those trend lines that show all of the uptrends and downtrends, all the lower highs, higher lows. This pattern has got to break itself out to one side or the other very shortly, and I would expect it to be fairly volatile when it actually does. But overall, it's definitely a choppy market. Thank you for tuning in.